Okay, my friend and coworker Arnisha has been asking me for this for the longest, so I'm going to do it now before I forget again. So I wear leggings on my head sometimes as a head wrap, and she's like, "How did you do that?" So I'm gonna take it down. I have on a cap because I'm doing a deep conditioner, so don't mind me and my ratchet stuff. But deep conditioning requires deep conditioning. So this is a pair of leggings. Right? I like the print. I took them home with me for free because a lot of times if it's free, it's for me. Um, but leggings. So this is the butt part of the leggings. Usually I try to find the place where the tag is, and that's where I put it at the back of my head. Right? So back of my head. Right? So then I pull it really taut, like a little head wrap. Um, and then I straighten it out and I pull the crotch part so it's not as bulky. And everybody's always like, "Are you serious?" I'd be like, "Yep, this is how I do it." So pull the crotch part. So again, so that some of that bulkiness kind of spreads out and distributes a little better. So then you twist it down until it gets like starts twirling by itself, and then you twirl it. Right. So I like pretty prints. I don't really do many of the other ones. And then usually, yep. So look, less than 2 minutes, and that's with me taking it down and putting it back on. Everything is hidden. Nobody knows. Now you know. Life hack by Sharina. Love you.